to go animate Doki.
Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? I know you're afraid. Oh, please come out, Doki.
Of course it was me, Mundi.
Didn't you call me in?
Oh, what a stray coincidence. I am Mundi, but Daniel Lyons calls me something else.
Oh, then what?
Never mind. We share the same name. Oh well.
Beware, replica of Libby Light Sprite. Boy, you have been warned. See, even though this isn't my real voice.
Bye, Mundi.
So, Mundi, I changed my voice, and would you want to plan a girls' night tomorrow?
Yes, I would, Gabi.
How long ago did you resign?
No, I would like to.
Oh, you would like
Doki, I hear and smell yummy and delicious rosemary cookies baking in the oven.
Is that so? Isn't it Rosemary who has cooked them?
No, it's actually Gabi and Mundi who have cooked them.
Are you sure it isn't Rosemary who is cooking them?
Yes, I'm positive, and even sure that Clara bakes gingerbread cookies at the same time. I think I must be dreaming.
Let's go make sure if it's for us.
Well, okay. Doki. Hey, are those rosemary cookies for us? And what is that? Toffee?
That is only for the girls' night for tomorrow. Don't tease.
Blast it. I can't even touch or eat or smell the rosemary cookies or toffee baking in the oven.
Don't worry, Fico. We can't ignore it.
How can we? All I could do is dream about chocolate pudding.
Just ignore it, Fico.
Fine. I guess you're right about that. I guess I will be leaving then.
I think he's got maybe 12 or 13.
Sorry, Gabi. I thought those cookies were for us.
It's okay, Doki. Doki, we can't even kiss.
That's because we are pictures. Looks like Campbell is even.
And then Darcy
Yeah.
was teaching in one of the inner city schools in Jacksonville. And she said the kids were okay, but the other teachers she couldn't get along with.
I think it's administration and other teachers.
And you know, and lack of support from administration.
Yeah.
Don't animate
And
productions.
she's gone off.